In today's video, we are going to talk about allowing your dog the freedom to not obey your command within quotes. See, the dogs understand context very well. So, my dogs know when I want them to be serious and when I want them to play the fool. So it is alright for your dog. Actually, I would encourage my dogs not to obey me under certain contexts. So today you can see that, and it can be a lot of fun. However, I don't use the same cue for them. For example, when I ask my dog to sit, and if I want them to sit, I shouldn't say 100% because that is not scientific, but if I want the probability of them sitting close to 100%, then I would not use the same cue or the same word when I ask them to sit for fun and I give them the option to fool around. So you will see what I'm talking about, and it's very important in relationship building. The dog must not feel like a slave every time. There should be fun. Helga, in the pakam mama. Good girl. Bummy zits. Hey Sada, give vada Sada. Hey Asid, vainge. Sada zits. Good. Helja ma inge vadi kanne. Helja zits. Walking polama. Hey Bummy walking polama di. Polama walking. Sada, vada inge. Una ukar danada sonne. Ukar rakhe kamanati. Zits. Bummy walking polama di. Polama. Pattu walking polama. Hey, ukar di kada. Inge ukar di. Walaka. Pattu walking polama di. Walking polama. Che va polama. Ba. Vango walking polama vango. Koindela. Vango. Odungo. சரி சதா வெளியில் போ. டை ரோடுக்கு ஓடக்கூடாது. அங்கே இருந்து ஹெல்கா வாம்மா, வெளியில் போ. ஹெல்கா ரோடுக்கு போகக்கூடாதும்மா. பொம்மி வாடி, போடி வெளியில். சரி, ரோடுக்கு போகக்கூடாது. கோச்சுப்பேன் ரோடுக்கு போனேன்னா. சரி வாங்க போகலாம்.